Hello everyone, this is Praveen from PUMBA BBA HFM. Today we will talk about how to fill exam form. First open unipune.ac.in on any browser, then go to campus admission section. You can get admission link from PUMBA website as well as CCP portal or directly to link in the description. Then login page will appear. Then click to register to create your new login ID. Then enter your valid email address. After entering your email address, you will receive OTP to that email address. After entering OTP, click enter or verify to verify your OTP. Then enter your mobile number which is active one. Then click on verify to get OTP through SMS. Verify the OTP. After verification, you can create your password. Create a strong password and remember it. You will need it further all time. Enter the captcha to verify. Click on submit. Now you are ready to register and you are registered and you can log in further. Enter your email ID as user ID and password and enter the exact captcha to login. Click login to login. After that, new page will open. Now the process begins. You have to first fill your personal information before applying. Click on the profile section, then click on the personal information. Enter your all information correctly. Enter your name and other details correctly. Then select the options according to document you have. Apply for the hostel if you want hostel facilities. Then add your address and pin code correctly. Tick on blue box if both address, that is correspondence and permanent address, is same. Then click on save and proceed. Check your information and hit OK only if it is correct. New page will open where you have to enter your educational details. For entering HSC, select degree type HSC, exam name HSC, then select yes if your exam were in Pune, Ahmednagar, Nashik, then select board name, CBSC or Maharashtra or other board, then select the subject type, was it special or general, then select subject SHC with English which is required for our course which is BBA HFM. Then select passed if you have result or select appeared if your results are not yet declared. Then click on add academic information. This is how your page will look now. Then under the profile section, click on the upload documents where you have to upload your photo and signature. Other documents if asked, it will be depend on caste category. Then go to section apply for course, select commerce and management, then select BBA hospitality and facility management, then check your info and photo and choose the center for your entrance exam where the entrance exam will be held. Then click on apply for course. Then new section will open. In course and information section, click on pay or print and pay the fees and print your form from the same location. Thank you and best of luck for your exam. Hope to see you ahead. Thank you.